The next of our elbow and wrist series is that of elbow hyperextension prevention. This taping technique is a generic hyperextension technique which can be used throughout many other joints throughout the body, for example the knee. The first part of this taping technique, which I always use for any hyperextension technique, is to apply 2 hyperallergenic underlay strips over the joint line to prevent the joint line irritation after taping. These don't have to be very specific as long as they cover the joint line themselves. As you can see with Tim's elbow here, there is a degree of bend to it. The more bend there is in the elbow or any other joint, the more the degree of hyperextension limitation there is. In other words, the straighter the elbow, the less the taping will have an effect. The next step is to apply 2 anchors, 5 centimetres above and below the joint line. Again, don't apply these anchors too hard as they'll cut off circulation and prevent muscle activity during sport. The next step is to do a cross over the elbow joint, starting from the top and the inside, working to the bottom and outside of the anchors. I usually do 2 strips on either side, again with a 50% overlay. The other 2 strips will start from the other side and work to the inside of the bottom anchor. Again, if you want more protection or more limit in your hyperextension, apply another 1 to 2 strips of tape in each direction. After that, anchor it off. The most important part of any hyperextension prevention technique is to make sure that the patient or player can still bend and straighten their elbow to the degree they need during the activity. Apart from that, that's the elbow hyperextension prevention done.